How to make a 3D sphere shape in DaVinci Resolve. Right-click in the Media pool and select New Fusion Composition. Double-click on the composition to open it on the Fusion page. Click anywhere empty and press Shift plus space. Search for Shape 3D, Merge 3D, Renderer 3D, and add them and connect them to Media Out. Select Renderer 3D node and enable lighting and shadows. Select Shape 3D node, change shape to sphere, and decrease radius to your liking. In the Material tab, choose a color you like. Now select Merge 3D node, press Shift plus space, search for Spotlight, and add it. Click on this button to see the second viewer. Select Spotlight and press the 1 key on your keyboard to see it in the left viewer. Right-click on the bottom left of viewer and choose Top. Drag the blue arrow, which is Transform Z property of the Spotlight, until you can see your shape in the right viewer. Play around with values of Spotlight in the Inspector panel. To add some animation to this sphere, select Shape 3D node and click on Transform tab. Right-click on the Y property and choose Modify with AnimCurves. Now go to Modifiers tab. Set Scale to 360 and set Curve to Easing and In Out to Cubic. Now we have this rotating sphere. Now this sphere rotates 360 degrees on Y-axis for the entire length of the composition. Now go to Effects tab, Expand Templates, Expand Fusion, and click on Shaders. Drag one of these shaders into composition and connect it to Shape 3D. Now go back to Edit page and drag the composition into Timeline.